change direction. Oh yes, well done. That's it. Oh.
Ah! They uncoupled himself. He's off for
Get him out, haven't we? So let's. Oh, we got glowing light. Let's come on in.
Let's go backwards.
No, not that.
Oh.
There we go. You come and run the. That's it. Let's give it a push. Right. Ooh. It's not that one. It's that one there that's running him. Turn him off for a minute. That's it. Now we're going to change these points here, which is number 2 on there. So green one, I think. Green.
No.
That one. Green.
Middle green one.
Middle one. That's it. That's it. And then we want these points open so he comes out, which is number 1, which is on that green one up there.
That's it.
I think. Sorry, it's really. That's it. No, try again. Do it again. Hold it.
Hold it. Hold the green one down.
That's it.
That's the boy.
No, it's the red one. It's the red one. Hold down. Push it. That's it. Right. Put him. Off we go. Put it in reverse. That way. And then come on, little train. Whoop.
Ah!
You switch that one on. Oop.
Leave it alone, guys. Leave
That's
the.
right. No.
Leave the.
Don't worry. That's why, because we turned him off in here.
Isaac.
No, now you need that controller there. It's alright, you come, you're just a bit slow. That's right. 3, come. Stop! Cheat here and take him.
Isaac.
There we go. Right?
Okay, so
There we go. Now do you want to change the point so the train doesn't come crashing into the back in a minute?
yeah.
So press number 2 green one. That's it. And off we go. Sometimes it's a little nudge to get them going, isn't it?
Now we'll just go back.
Let it come round one time for Grandpa. This one's for Grandpa, Isaac.
Hold on a second. Hang on a second. Don't do it for a minute. Wait a minute.
I want it to come round so Grandpa can see it.
Right. Now, you can make him go backwards, but he might come off the rails. Sometimes when the carriages go
You go
through.
slow as well.
That's alright.
If you go backwards, go slow.